Have you ever stood in that seemingly endless security line, the one that snakes back further than you can see? You watch the minutes on your phone tick away, each one a little louder than the last. Your heart starts to pound a frantic rhythm against your ribs, a drumbeat of pure anxiety. You do the mental math over and over. Can I make it? Will they hold the gate? You fumble for your passport, your hands suddenly slick with sweat, while the person in front of you seems to be unpacking their entire life into 6 different gray bins. It's a universal feeling of helplessness, a fear that your long-awaited vacation might be over before it even begins. Or maybe you've survived security only to face a different kind of purgatory, the baggage carousel. You stand there, eyes glued to the rubber flaps, as an endless parade of identical black suitcases glides past. The crowd thins out, happy travelers reunited with their belongings, until it's just you and a lone, forgotten duffel bag making another sad lap. That's when the dread creeps in, that cold, sinking feeling in the pit of your stomach as you realize your bag might be on a completely different continent. These are the big, dramatic moments of travel stress. But what about the 1,000 smaller cuts? The overpriced bottle of water that costs more than your lunch, the frantic search for a working power outlet, the gate change announcement that sends you sprinting to the other side of the terminal. I'll never forget a trip through Frankfurt, where a tight connection turned into a full-blown airport marathon. I was running, my carry-on bouncing awkwardly behind me, convinced I was going to miss the last flight home. It was in that moment, breathless and defeated, that I knew there had to be a better way. We've all been there, caught in these moments of chaos. Modern air travel, for all its technological marvels, can often feel less like a miracle and more like a gauntlet. It's a stressful series of hurdles and hoops, a seemingly random obstacle course designed to test the very limits of your patience, your budget, and your sanity. The joy of the destination gets buried under the weight of the journey, and we accept this as the price of admission. But what if it didn't have to be this way? What if I told you that the journey could be just as relaxing, just as enjoyable as the destination itself? Imagine gliding through the airport with a quiet confidence, knowing exactly where to go and what to do. Picture yourself breezing through a dedicated security line in minutes, not hours. Imagine finding a quiet oasis in a private lounge, enjoying a complimentary coffee while others are fighting for seats at a crowded gate. Imagine your travel day not as a source of stress, but as the calm, exciting prelude to your adventure. This isn't a fantasy. This is the reality of traveling smarter. Over years of flying hundreds of thousands of miles through countless airports and dozens of countries, I've collected, tested, and perfected a system. It's a set of 13 powerful, game-changing strategies that will fundamentally alter your relationship with travel. These aren't just simple tips. They are a complete toolkit for the modern traveler. We're going to cover everything from ingenious packing hacks that let you travel for weeks with just a carry-on, to the digital tools that predict delays before the airlines even announce them. We'll dive into little-known secrets for navigating customs, staying healthy on the road, and ensuring your belongings and data are always secure. This is your masterclass in transforming travel from a stressful ordeal into a seamless, empowering experience. So if you're ready to leave the chaos behind and become the kind of traveler who moves through the world with ease and confidence, stick with me. Your next great journey starts right now. Preparation and digital strategy. Kicking things off, we have trick number 1, the photo insurance policy. This simple step is your best defense against lost or damaged luggage. Before leaving home, take a clear photo of your open suitcase to create a visual inventory of your belongings. Then, snap another of the closed bag. The most crucial photo is at the check-in counter. Get a clear shot of your bag with the airline's luggage tag and tracking number visible. If your bag goes missing, you won't have to rely on memory to fill out a claim. You'll have time-stamped photographic proof that can dramatically speed up the compensation process. Be sure to save these photos to the cloud for easy access anywhere. Next up, trick number 2, embrace your digital fast pass. A mobile boarding pass is your ticket to a smoother airport journey. By checking in on your airline's app, you can download the pass to your phone's wallet and bypass the long check-in counter lines entirely if you're flying with just a carry-on. This easily saves you precious time. Plus, it eliminates the panic of losing a paper ticket. Your airline's app also becomes a command center, giving you real-time updates on gate changes and delays. Pro tip: turn your screen brightness all the way up at the security scanner to ensure it reads quickly, getting you on your way without a hitch. Let's talk strategy with trick number 3, finding the security sweet spot. We've all been stuck in a slow security line. To beat the queue, go against the grain. Most travelers instinctively head for the central or right-hand lines. Instead, make your way to the checkpoint that's furthest to the left. These are often less crowded, but don't just pick a line blindly. Take a second to observe the passengers. A lane full of business travelers will likely move much faster than one with large families who might need more assistance. This simple observation can transform a stressful wait into a swift walkthrough, giving you more time to relax at the gate. And finally, the trick that powers all others, trick number 4, the power play. Your smartphone is your travel lifeline. It holds your boarding pass, maps, and entertainment. A dead battery can cause a real travel emergency. Don't rely on scarce airport charging stations. The solution is a portable power bank. This small device is your personal energy source. When choosing one, look for a capacity of at least 10,000 mAh, enough to charge your phone twice. Crucially, remember that safety regulations require power banks to be in your carry-on, not your checked bag. This small investment ensures your digital tools are always ready, providing enormous peace of mind throughout your journey. Tricks 5-8, comfort and convenience. Trick 5, the hydration hack. Bring an empty bottle and fill it after security to save money and stay hydrated. Trick 6, the VIP shortcut. Many credit cards offer lounge access, transforming your airport experience. Trick 7, the gate change alert. Use airline apps for real-time updates instead of relying on static displays. Trick 8, the entertainment vault. Pre-download content to your devices before traveling. Tricks 9-13, efficiency and timing. Trick 9, the quick change artist. The security line is often the first major stress point of any trip. The secret to gliding through isn't just about what you pack, it's about what you wear. Think of it as your travel uniform. Slip-on shoes, no belt, and minimal metal accessories. Before you even reach the checkpoint, consolidate your pocket items, phone, wallet, keys, into a single small pouch. This pouch goes straight into the bin and back into your bag. While others are fumbling with laces, you'll be through the scanner and on your way. Trick 10, the smart carry-on. We've all seen the scramble for overhead bin space, followed by the dreaded announcement that roller bags must be gate-checked. Bypass this drama by packing a bag small enough to fit under the seat in front of you. This guarantees you'll never be separated from your belongings and gives you easy access to your in-flight essentials. Your headphones, charger, a book, and snacks are all within arm's reach. You can create your own comfortable, self-contained bubble at 30,000 feet, with everything you need right at your feet. Trick 11, the pre-flight feast. Airport food is a trap. It's notoriously overpriced, often unhealthy, and the lines can be agonizingly long. The simple solution is to bring your own. Pack a selection of non-liquid snacks and even a small meal, like a homemade sandwich, protein bars, or nuts. You'll save money and eat healthier on your own schedule. While other travelers are frantically queuing for a greasy, expensive burger, you can be relaxing at your gate, enjoying a satisfying meal. It's a small act of preparation that pays huge dividends. Trick 12, the human touch. When travel goes wrong, apps and kiosks often fail. Your most powerful tool is another human. If your flight is delayed or canceled, skip the overloaded app and long customer service hold times. Instead, immediately find the nearest gate agent. These professionals have access to systems and solutions you can't see, and can rebook you on flights that don't even show up online. A calm and polite approach is key. While others are stuck staring at their phones, you'll be talking to an expert who can actually solve your problem. Trick 13, the golden hour. This final trick is the foundation for a stress-free journey. Arrive early. Rushing is the root cause of almost all travel anxiety. The frantic sprint to the gate, the fear of a final boarding call. It's all avoidable. By giving yourself a golden hour, you're not wasting time, you're buying peace of mind. This buffer allows you to stroll through security, handle unexpected issues, and actually relax at your gate. You can grab a coffee, charge your devices, and watch the chaos from a place of calm. Conclusion: mastery and confidence. So there you have it, 13 powerful airport tricks to travel safer and easier. Remember, the goal isn't just to survive the airport, it's to master it. You'll be the one calmly gliding through security with a charged phone, arriving at your gate with time to spare. Happy travels!